And I hope you're also looking at the issue of the stamping of the arbitration agreement.
Yeah. What?
Stamping of the arbitration.
I see.
May I have your lordship's leave?
Yes, Mr.
503, that arbitration matter. On the 14th of June, government has appointed an expert committee to look at the various issues. One of them would be this arbitral appointment process. So Fali has joined me virtually, and they moved an application before the Unsipsal National Committee. The lordship thinks that the matter can be deferred for a while till the committee gives a report. Then we'll have the wisdom of what's happened. There's a consultative process.
That is serial number 502.
502.
Ms. Nariman has joined Ms. Nariman, the Attorney General was suggesting that we
Yes,
stand over the hearing 502.
that would be preferable because, my lord, the reference by government is really for a new law to be enacted. That seems to be the memorandum of the government. So we don't know whether a new law will be enacted or not, so that the present reference about whether the bench of 3 judges on the one side is right or a bench of 3 judges on the other side is right, it is idle. It will only take up much of your lordship's time.
What we can do is we can defer the hearing of 502. Who's on the other side for 502? So maybe we
and
can.
504, both are together.
But what is the timeline? How long do you want us?
What I would suggest is, I think the committee should not take more than 2 months. And let me also try to expedite the proceedings of the committee. We'll give a report back to the committee, back to the court. As soon as the committee deliberations rear conclusion as far as particular issue is concerned, the Your Lordship can take a decision on convening the court.
And the remit of the committee is to reconsider all the provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act.
It's a very fairly large number of questions, but this question is incidentally also important.
It is not confined only to the issues.
No, there are other questions.
Other questions.
But I would request the committee to focus on this question as early as possible.
And what is the date on which the committee was constituted by the government?
20th June. 14th of June. 14th of June.
Mr. R. Venkatramani.
This finds a reference in an application. There is an office memorandum dated 14th of June 2023.
Mr. R. Venkatramani, Learned Attorney General for India, submits that on 14 June 2023, the Union government has constituted an expert committee with a broad remit to consider the provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Full stop. The Attorney General states that, submits that in view of the issues. That the issues which have been raised in the reference to the Constitution bench would undoubtedly would also come within the broad framework underlying the Constitution of the committee. Full stop. After the report of the committee, the government would take a considered view on the modification of the legislation is warranted.
What does 504 say?
Yes, we are saying 502 and 504.
Lordship.
504.
Mr. F.S. Nariman, Learned Senior Counsel, has also joined in making the same submission, as have the counsel appearing on behalf of the other parties. Stop. Hence, presently, we direct that the proceedings in the 2 references to the Constitution bench be deferred by a period of 2 months.
Your Lordship.
Full stop. The court shall be apprised on the next date of the progress which has been made following the constitution of the committee.
Fair enough.
So we'll list it, give a particular date. We are now in towards the middle of July, August, September. We can keep it sometime around the
End of September.
Can keep it on the 13th of September, which is a Wednesday, I think. 13th of September.
Yes, that's all right. Yes, certainly. Lordship, please.
Why is the committee to take into account the recommendation which we would give?
So that is needless.
The committee is bound to do that.
They're receiving
Definitely sure.
large number of.
That's a holistic consultations that will go on.
There's Mr. Banerjee says that. And this aspect can also be taken into account. And I hope you're also looking at the issue of the stamping of the arbitration agreement.
Yeah. What?
Stamping of the arbitration.
I see.
That will resolve the problem.
Not court's power.